Good morning, students. In previous video, we have studied direct speech and indirect speech. Now we are going to start transformation of direct speech into indirect speech. We have to study how to transform direct speech into indirect speech. Students, when we transform direct speech into indirect speech, we have to follow certain rules. Now these rules I am explaining here. You can study, you can learn them properly, or you can observe the sentences in your textbook. That time you can understand the rule. Or when we solve the exercise, that time also you can try to pay the attention, so that these rules you can remember easily. And once the rules are remembered, then it is easy to transform direct speech sentences into indirect speech. So first rule, when we transform direct speech into indirect speech, when the reporting verb is in simple past tense. When reporting verb is in simple past tense, we have to follow certain rules. First, we talk about the general rules, that is change of tense. When we transform direct speech sentence into indirect speech, having the reporting verb in simple past tense, we must change tenses. Now here I have written direct speech and here I have written indirect speech. So when we transform direct speech sentence into indirect speech, see the change of tense. Simple present tense becomes simple past. Am, is, are, they turn into was, were. Am and is, they become was, and are, it becomes were. Then was and were both turn into had been in indirect speech. Simple past tense and present perfect tense, these two tenses turn into past perfect. Simple past tense and present perfect tense, these two tenses turn into past perfect tense. Past perfect tense remains past perfect. Will turn into would, shall turns into should. That is accordingly. So in all future tenses, will become would, shall becomes should. Then verbs having modal auxiliaries or helping verbs. May turns into might, can turns into could, must turns into had to. So these are the change of tenses when we transform direct speech into indirect speech. After change of tenses, the second rule, that is change of pronouns. Students, change of pronouns as per the sentence. We can write, but I would like to say change of pronouns as per the sentence. I turns into him or her. So it creates confusion. That is why I am telling the change of pronouns as per the sentence. Then third, that is change in words showing time and place. Change in expression of time and place. Direct speech, when these words they are in direct speech, they turn into these words in indirect speech. This becomes that, these become those. Here becomes there. Now turns into then. Today becomes that day. Tomorrow turns into the next day or the following day. Yesterday it becomes the previous day. Later becomes after. Next becomes following. Last becomes previous. Ago becomes before. Thus becomes so. Thus, then it becomes so. So these are the change of words or change of expression of time and place. So students, here we end the general rules for transformation of direct speech into indirect speech, and 3 general rules. First, change of tenses. Second, change of pronouns, and third, change in words showing time and place. So this you remember and learn. Thank you, students.